Welcome to the blood gas simulation. In this simulation, the role of hemoglobin in carrying and releasing oxygen gas in the bloodstream is investigated. The simulation has 4 parts. In part 1, three-dimensional views of hemoglobin and its associated proteins are shown by selecting the hemoglobin button at the bottom of the screen. Selecting a part of the molecule, or the deoxy or oxy buttons, provides viewing of the molecule. In part 2, selecting the tense button at the bottom of the screen allows you to conduct various experiments in which oxygen gas, carbon monoxide, and 2,3-DPG are added to the bloodstream. In part 3, selecting the dissociation curve button provides 3 experiments that show people in various states of exercise and altitudes. The blood gas concentration for each condition is shown in a graph. In part 4, selecting the blood view button gives you 12 different experiments that show the blood gas concentration within the bloodstream. After selecting and viewing all 12 experimental results, an evaluation is presented that has you evaluate a patient using the blood gas information.